Welcome to this InsightLearning video. Today we're going to be learning how to convert mixed numbers into improper fractions and vice versa. Okay, first let's start with the mixed number, which we've got 1 2/3. So let's write this out. So the first thing we need to do is multiply the whole number, which is 1, with the denominator, which is 3. So 1 times 3 is 3. Now we have to add the numerator of the fraction, which is 2. This gives us 5. So 5 is going to be the numerator of our improper fraction. So as the denominator stays the same, 3 is going to be the denominator. So you multiply the whole number with the denominator, which gave us 3 in this case. We add the numerator, which is 2, and then the result gives us the numerator for our improper fraction, and the denominator stays the same. Now let's try this with a different sum. Here we times the whole number by the denominator, which gives us 8. We add the numerator, which is 1 in this case, and that gives us 9. 9 is going to be the numerator of our improper fraction, and the denominator stays the same. Now, what do we do when we've got an improper fraction? Well, here we've got 22/6. We have to see how many of the denominator go into the numerator. So, in this case, 6 goes 3 times into 22. 6 goes 3 times into 22. So 3 is going to be the whole number in our mixed number. So 6 times 3 gives us 18. So when we subtract 18 from 22, how many have we got left over? We've got 4. 4 is going to be the numerator of the fraction in our mixed number. Now, as the denominator stays the same, 6 is going to be the denominator. So let's go over these steps again. We see how many of the denominator, which in this case is 6, goes into the numerator, which is in this case is 22, which is 3. We see the result of the 6 and 3, or the two numbers that go together, and that gave us 18. We subtract that from the numerator, which in this case is 22, and that leaves us 4. And the result, which is 4 in this case, becomes the numerator of the fraction in our mixed number. So we've got 3 and 4/6. Now, let's try another one. We've got 15 quarters. 15 quarters. First, we need to see how many 4s could go into 15. So, three 4s go into 15. And 4 times 3 is 12. So we subtract 12 from 15, which leaves us 3. So 3 is going to be the numerator of our fraction in this mixed fraction. And the denominator stays the same, so it's going to be 3 3/4. Now, how do we check if this is actually correct? Let's use this one as an example. So we can convert it back into an improper fraction. And if the improper fraction matches 15 quarters, then it's correct. So we times 3 by 4, which gives us 12. We add 3 as it's our numerator. That gives us 15. So 15 is going to be the numerator of the improper fraction. And as the denominator stays the same, it's going to be 4. 15 quarters. Look, it's 15 quarters here. So 3 3/4 is correct. So this is how to convert mixed numbers into improper fractions. Hope it helped. Bye.